Have you ever heard someone say, "Wow, that's so lugubrious," and thought, "What on earth does that mean?" Well, you are not alone. Today we are going to dive deep into the word lugubrious, its meaning and its origin, and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Let's unravel this gloomy yet fascinating word together. Lugubrious, pronounced lugubrious, is an adjective that means excessively mournful, sad, or gloomy, often to the point of being exaggerated or theatrical. Let's see some examples. After his team lost the championship, he walked around with a lugubrious expression for days. The movie's lugubrious soundtrack made the sad scenes even more heart-wrenching. It's not just about being sad. Lugubrious carries this sense of being almost dramatically sorrowful, like someone is really leaning into their sadness for effect. The word lugubrious comes from the Latin word luguri, which means to mourn. It entered the English language in the early 17th century, where it was used to describe people or situations that seemed weighed down by grief or sadness. So basically, if someone is being lugubrious, it's like they are wearing their sadness on their sleeve and maybe adding a little extra drama for effect. Now, how can you actually use lugubrious in conversation without sounding, well, too lugubrious yourself? Wow, that song is so lugubrious. It's really putting me in my feelings. His speech at the party was a bit lugubrious, don't you think? Lighten up, dude. The weather today is so great and lugubrious, perfect for staying in with a good look, good book. See, it's a fun word that adds a touch of drama to your descriptions without sounding over the top. Okay, maybe that's a bit too lugubrious, but hey, now you know how to use it. So next time you see someone sulking dramatically or hear a piece of music that just screams melancholy, you have got the perfect word for it, lugubrious. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you learned something new, and maybe drop a lugubrious comment down below. See you next time. Orcja English.